DNA licensing is gone. Starting with the new Wi-Fi 7 access points, and eventually it's probably going to come to switching and routing and all the rest of those enterprise networking products out there. We're going to be moving to something called a unified license. And you're probably asking, what the heck is a unified license? And it's really three things that we're bringing together. Number one, we're going to say it's unified because you now only need to buy one license, and you tell us how you want to consume that, meaning do you want to go to the cloud and manage your Wi-Fi 7 access points with Meraki, or do you want to stay on premise and manage them with the 9800 series controller, and maybe you're going to be using DNA Center or Catalyst Center. Two, we're going to be bringing together, and we've already done this on a lot of our products today, the hardware. It's no longer going to be, well, I'm doing Meraki with this, so I need to purchase the Meraki version of that. That's gone. Now it's going to be one piece of hardware, one SKU, and because that license goes on-premise or cloud, you figure out which way you want to go. And three, the third thing that's coming together as this unified licensing concept is your subscription license and SmartNet. So now it's no longer two separate things where I've got a SmartNet contract that's up every year and a subscription that's either like a 3 or a 5 year, and they're two separate contracts you got to manage. They're coming together, guys. They're going to be one thing now. And inside of your subscription, you can pick your SLO still for hardware replacement. And you could say, I want 24/7/4 or 8x5 by next business day, whatever the case is. But now all your tax support, your SmartNet, your subscription, your licensing, all that is one thing to purchase. And there's going to be two levels of subscription here, very similar to what we have today with DNA. You're going to have Essentials, which is going to be more your basic feature set. And you're going to have Advantage, which is going to be more your advanced feature set. I'll have a link in the description here that's going to show you the product matrix page, which will just show you the different features in each license level. So click on that if you're interested in it. And then the other thing to talk about here too is, and I know you're probably thinking this, what happens if I don't have a subscription? Or what happens if I have a subscription and that subscription expires? So first off, if you don't have a subscription, that product is going to be very limited in what it can do. So for example, the Wi-Fi 7 access points, if you take one out of the box and you put it on your controller and you don't have a license for it, it's only going to be able to do 2.4 gigahertz, and you're going to be limited as far as management and monitoring of that thing. Now going forward, let's say you had a license on that box, but it expired. So what does that mean? So the box, number one, is still going to pass traffic and everything, but you're going to lose the ability to monitor it, and you're going to lose the ability to manage it until you put a subscription on that again. At the same time, since SmartNet is part of that, obviously you're going to lose things like code upgrades, access to TAC, those types of things are not going to be there anymore. Hardware replacements, all that stuff will be gone as well. So make sure you keep a subscription on all these devices going forward. So guys, I'm curious, what's your thoughts around this? Is this a good thing that Cisco's moving in this direction? Or did you have some thoughts and hey, maybe they should have done it a different way? I want to hear what you're thinking about this. Drop me a comment below.